Hello, it's Dr. Stoll with Simuli. This is a brief overview of the Iris Prosthesis Combo Pack. In the combo pack are two different eyes. They look very similar at first, but let's take a look at the differences. One is called Iris Prosthesis Plus Capsule. There's a capsule inside for implanting the iris prosthesis into the capsular bag. The other one does not have a capsule, and that's when we want to fixate the iris prosthesis to the scleral wall. To open the eyes, we'll remove the red clip and remove the eye front. On the Iris Prosthesis Plus capsule, that gives access to the capsule. For the other model, the Iris Prosthesis Sutured, when we open the eye front, we see that there's no capsule in place. The other difference really lies in the eye fronts. The aniridia eye front that's made to go over the capsule is open in the back and has nothing to interfere with the capsule. The Iris Prosthesis Sutured eye front is also aniridic, but it's sealed in back and it's meant to line up with the multi-base that does not use the capsule. So what's really nice about these systems is that both of them use the multi-base. One of them has our capsule 5.5, so it can be used for a wide variety of other procedures and techniques by adding different eye fronts if needed. So that's a quick overview of the parts. We have the multi-base for each one, a capsule 5.5, and the aniridia eye front, and that creates the Iris Prosthesis Plus capsule for implantation of the iris prosthesis into the capsular bag. And the other eye has the multi-base without the capsule, and that pairs with the aniridia sealed eye front, so it's aniridic and it's sealed in the back, and that is for the iris prosthesis to be sutured to the wall of the iris. The other difference is the setup, which we're going to go over in another video to show how to prepare the eyes for use. Thank you. Okay, so we're back now with the Iris Prosthesis Combo Pack. In the prior video, we went over the two different eyes and the parts. Now we're going to show how to prep them. So we'll start with the Iris Prosthesis Plus capsule, again, where when we remove the eye front, it reveals the capsule 5.5 on the multi-base. To prep this eye, we want to take our cohesive viscoelastic substitute and we fill the capsular bag. Do the best you can to minimize bubbles. And it's fine for viscoelastic to be spilling out of the bag. And then we'll take the eye front and we'll just fill the anterior chamber with gel. If bubbles are trapped, we can get those out later through the incisions. So once we have gel in the capsule and gel in the eye front, we put them together and clip them together, and then we can install the red clip to make sure that they're locked together. The final step is to unscrew the suction cup and fill the back. It's very important to do the gel filling first because otherwise the capsule can become inverted when we do this final step. The pressure from the water could invert the capsule and then there's no bag to implant into. So that's the first eye, Iris Prosthesis Plus capsule, all ready to go for incisions. Turning now to the second eye, this is the Iris Prosthesis Sutured. So the eye front is different and the base. The base does not have the capsule and the eye front is sealed around the equator. The other difference is there's a red dot and that's the port to fill the eye because we do not have access from the back. So again, we take our cohesive viscoelastic and we enter into the port. That's going to put us inside the eye. And we just go up into the AC and fill. And we can look from back here so that we're filling into the fluid wave and we pull out until it's completely filled. That should give us a nicely filled eye front without any bubbles, and that can then be inserted onto the base. Then we install the clip and this one's ready to go. You actually don't have to put water in the back of this eye, although you could if you wanted to. So that's how you prepare the Iris Prosthesis Plus capsule for implantation into the bag and the Iris Prosthesis Sutured when you're suturing to the scleral wall. Hope that helps. Thanks.